Kids, today we learn addition. Okay, kids? Okay. And question read. Add the following. Okay, kids, let's start writing. And kids, addition means putting together and how many in all. Okay, kids? Okay. You understand addition means? Yes. Okay, let's start writing these all. Okay, this is 2-digit number. Okay. Let's start. Kids, suppose your mama give 4 ice cream. Okay. And your father give 5 ice cream. Okay. And kids, how many in putting together?
9 ice cream.
Yes, it is the right answer. 9 ice cream. Sorry kids, 9. Okay, I'm right. 9. Okay, I'm right. 9. And kids, your grandma give two toffee. Okay, and your grandpa give 3 toffee. Okay, kids. Okay, and kids, how many putting together in all?
5 toffee.
Yes, it is the right answer. 5 toffees. Okay, kids. Okay, and right 5. And answer is come 59. Okay, this is done. Then, okay, kids, suppose your uncle give two banana. Okay, kids. Okay, 2 banana. And your aunt give 7 banana. Okay, kids. Okay, and kids, how many in all putting together?
9 banana.
Yes, my smart kids. 9 banana. Okay, kids, I am right. 9. Okay, kids, I am right. 9. Kids, your sister give 5 donut. Okay, kids. Okay, 5 donut. And your brother give 1 donut. Okay, kids. Okay, and kids, how many putting together in all?
6 donut.
Yes, it is the right answer. 6. Okay, I'm right. 6. Okay, I'm right. And answer is come 69. Okay, kids. Okay, this is done. Then, kids, suppose your cousin sister give two cupcake. Okay, and your cousin brother give 4 cupcake. Okay, kids. Okay, kids, how many putting together in all?
6 cupcake.
Yes, it is the right answer. 6 cupcake. Okay, kids. Okay, and write 6. Okay, I write 6. And your father give 4 chocolate. Okay, 4 chocolate. And your mother give 2 chocolate. Okay. Kids, how many? Putting together in all?
6 chocolate.
Yes, it is the right answer. 6. Okay. And write 6. Answer is called 66. Okay, kids. Okay. Okay, this is done. Then, kids, suppose your sister give 6 lollipop. Okay, kids. Okay, 6 lollipop. And your brother give 3 lollipop. Okay. Okay, kids. How many putting together in all?
9 lollipop.
Yes, it is the right answer. 9 lollipop. Okay, kids. Okay, and write 9. Okay, and write 9. Kids, suppose your grandma give 4 chips. Okay, kids, and your grandpa give 3 chips. Okay, and kids, how many putting together in all?
7 chips.
Yes, it is the right answer. 7 chips. Okay. Okay, and write 7. Answer is called 79. 79. Okay, kids. Okay, this is done. Then, okay. Kids, suppose your cousin sister give 8
Dairy milk.
8 dairy milk. Okay. Okay. 8 dairy milk. And your cousin brother give 1 dairy milk. Okay, kids. Okay. 1 dairy milk. Kids, how many putting together in all?
9 dairy milk.
Yes, it is the right answer. 9 dairy milk. Okay. Okay. And write 9. Okay, and write 9. Okay. And kids, suppose your grandma give 6 orange. Yummy, yummy orange. Okay, and your grandpa give 1 orange. Okay, kids, how many putting together in all?
7 orange.
Yes, it is the right answer. 7 orange. Okay, kids. Okay, and write 7. Answer is called 79. Okay, kids. Okay. Okay, kids. This is done. Then, kids, suppose your mother give 5 balls. Okay, kids. Okay. And your father give 4 balls. Okay. Okay. How many putting together in all?
9 balls.
Yes, it is the right answer. 9 balls. Okay, kids. Okay. Right? 9. Okay, kids, I read 9. Okay. Kids, suppose your sister give 2 flowers. Okay. And your brother give 2 flowers. Okay, kids. Okay, kids, how many putting together in all?
4 flower.
Yes, it is the right answer. 4 flowers. Okay, and right? 4. Answer is come 49. Okay, kids. Okay, kids. Bye bye. Goodbye. Like and subscribe and don't hit the bell button. Bye. And kids, here these all understand 2-digit number addition. Okay, yes?
Yes.
Okay. And kids, you my channel see. And kids, my channel is good. My videos is you like. Okay, like and subscribe, share. Okay, kids, take care. And this all learn. Like your life is so important. This addition. Okay, bye bye.